think some of the biggest challenges that I've faced are, again, it really comes down to the communication that happens across teams. And more every day, I believe this, but I often like to say that technology is the easiest part of what we do. Uh, Especially from a software engineering perspective, I can Google my way to a solution, but I cannot do the same when it comes to cross-team collaboration and being able to share information that's relevant to interested parties at the right time. And so what I find is from an architect perspective, from a development team perspective, we're often brought into the conversations very late in the game. And that can be very challenging because a lot of decisions that folks have spent a lot of time on have been made already. And then we have to try and fit the technology around those particular solutions that have been identified. Where for me, my ideal situation is really to kind of be brought in at what I call the napkin stage, where we are really just starting to ideate on the ideas. We haven't gotten to any sort of user stories, wireframes, mock-ups, anything to that fidelity at all. We're just talking about ideas. Because what's interesting when you bring a scrum master and someone from product or design and then someone from engineering together to have those conversations of here is our problem, how can we solve it? A lot of interesting ideas can come up, can bubble to the surface. And I think that gets missed a lot of times when an engineering team or a lead developer or someone is brought in fairly late to the conversation.